Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana. So here we have a question. They are saying they have a number 5A4812. Then they say what should be the digit A, that this number should be divisible by 9 and 11 both. So what do some people do? They write first A as 0 and then they try whether it is divisible by 9 and 11 or not. Then they write 1 and then they try whether that number is divisible by 9 and 11 and not. But this is not a right method. Okay. Now for this type of question we should know the divisibility rule of 9 and 11. First I will write divisibility rule of 9. For divisibility rule of 9, what do you need to do? You need to check sum of digits. Sum of digits should be a multiple of 9, then that number is divisible by 9. Okay. So, and for divisibility of 11, what do we need to do? We find first odd positions, sum of odd positions. Okay, whatever is on odd position, we will add those numbers, like 5 is on odd position, 4 is on odd position, 1 is on odd position. Always count from here, not from the back. Okay, first position, third position, fifth position. You add them and then you add what? This plus this plus this, and then you find the difference. If the difference is divisible by 11, then the number will be divisible by 11. Okay, it seems little bit hard, but it is very easy. I will show you how. Okay, so what will I do first? I will just add all the digits. 5 plus A plus 4 plus 8 plus 1 plus 2. The sum should be divisible by 9, right? Now if I add them, what is the sum? The sum is 20 plus A, right? So what should be? A can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the only options, right? If you put 0, there should be a number that is divisible by 9. And only 27 is divisible by 9. If I add 9, the largest number, it will be 29. If I add 0, the smallest number, it will be 0. None of the number is divisible by 9, okay? Because in 9's table, you have 9, 8, 27. 18 we cannot get here, and we can get only 27. So A can only be 7 and not any other number, right? So if A is 7, our number will become 574812, right? Now I will add digits on odd positions. You get this, minus I will add digits on even position, this and this. 7 plus 8 plus 2. Now you add them, you get 10 minus 17, and that is minus 7 is not divisible by 11, right? So how would be a number divisible by 11? Because the sum should be either you get 0 here or you get 11, but you will never get 11 because only this 7 will satisfy divisibility by 9. So this question is not correct. We cannot get any A that this number is divisible by both 9 and 11. Okay, so this is a wrong question. If we would have like any other number, then we could have make it. Okay, but this is the method how we try to solve this one part first, and then we try to find the another thing, right? So I hope you liked it. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and if you like to solve math riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.